November 6, 2022. Tyler Hayes here, 1444, coming to you from Ladysmith with another video lined up for you. Southbound on the way that met the Rattler M357, led by class leader 5700. Going to have a G-Vo to Toledo. Let's check them out. As it will pass by the southbound wood tick up the L564 in the clear in Ladysmith Yard. Let's get in there and get them. Let's go. Gate drop! .416 deleted again for the southbound wood tick as it alongside the 519 power. 2993. One 30 in second slot. The MEI rebuild is back. GECX 2041, M344. M356. Was it. Start turning from Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Also from there, began the journey in Symington Yard of Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. GECX 946. The bad pass of the M356. As it will head on its way to Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois, after setting out some cars at Stevens Point. That'll do it for the 2993 Tier 4 Credit ES44AC deleted, and the MEI rebuild of ET44AC 3130 running in the second slot. That was previously GECX 2041. That'll do it for this video here in Ladysmith. Next up will be the southbound wood tick on standby. We'll start making moves in Ladysmith Yard in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I will see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.